Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today's project, we need to change the programming on this 2025 Toyota Grand Highlander. Now, we have the one garage door opener here, which functions just the way it's supposed to, but this one actually needs to be changed because we had to change the garage door opener, so therefore we have a new remote that we're using now. But the problem is you can't come in here and change just the programming on one remote. You need to come in here and wipe out all of the pre-programmed information in here and then reprogram with the remotes in that you need to install. All right, so the way you need to remove the programming is you come up underneath here and you press the number 3 and you press the number 1 button at the same time and hold them down. So that's what we're going to do. See how it starts blinking? So now we wiped out the programming in there. Okay, so let's check it and see. If it's programmed, we press it, it'll light up green. That lights up red. That lights up red. And that lights up red. And as you can see, the programming for that one used to control the garage door opener. And as you can see, it does not control it any longer. But now we remove the programming. How do you install the new remote to function correctly? That's quite simple. You just grab your remote, take your remote, you're going to come in here, you're going to press this button on your remote to open the garage door while holding down the button that you want to open the door itself. Now I want number 1 to open that one up, so I'm going to press number 1 and I'm going to press the remote at the same time. And just hold it until you see that light start blinking green. Let the door close all the way down. All right, it's closed. Release the remote, and now you can see that the programming is done. We're going to press it again. The last one is red, so that's not doing anything. The second one is doing nothing, but the first one now opens up the garage door. Okay. Now, after it opens up all the way, that blinking light up there, it will actually stop blinking and turn to just a green, and then you know it's done. And of course, to close it, you do the exact same thing. Press the button, you see it start blinking, and now it's closing down, just the way it's supposed to. All right, but let's finish this off. Let's grab the other remote, and let's program this remote here for the other garage door. Okay, now to program the second remote, we take the second remote, we come up underneath here. Remember, we press this button and hold the remote down and wait for that light to start blinking. All right, so let's press this down and we'll push this up. See it start blinking green? Now that remote is actually programmed too. And there you go, closing right down. Same thing here, to raise it up. And up goes the door. All right, so now we have both of them programmed. We have the up and we have the one garage door programmed, the second door garage programmed. And when this turns green, it'll let you know it's all the way open. All right, that's it. This job is done and we're on to the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.